Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and living your best life. Today, we're settling the ultimate fitness debate: gym workouts versus home workouts. Which one is better? The answer might surprise you because it really depends on what works for you. Let's break down the pros and cons of each. Let's start with gym workouts. From weights to cardio machines to specialty tools, gyms have everything you need to target every muscle group and keep your workouts fresh. Another pro: expert guidance. Many gyms offer personal trainers, classes, and even community support, so you're never left wondering if you're doing an exercise right. Plus, the gym environment can be super motivating. Seeing others push themselves can inspire you to do the same. But let's talk cons. Gyms can be time-consuming, especially if you have to commute. And let's not forget the cost. Memberships can add up. Plus, if you're someone who feels intimidated working out in front of others, the gym might not feel like your happy place. Now, let's look at home workouts. First is the pro: convenience. No commute, no waiting for equipment. You just roll out of bed, grab a yoga mat, and get moving. It's perfect for busy schedules or parents who can't easily leave the house. Another win for home workouts: affordability. You don't need fancy equipment to get started. Bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, and free YouTube videos can give you a full body workout without spending a dime. But here's the flip side: distractions. When you're at home, it's easy to get sidetracked by kids, chores, or your favorite Netflix show. And if you're not self-motivated, the lack of accountability can make it hard to stick with a routine. So, which one is better between the two? Honestly, there's no right or wrong answer. Some people thrive in a gym-structured environment, while others love the freedom of working out at home. You can even mix it up. Hit the gym for strength training and do yoga at home on your rest days. At the end of the day, the best workout is the one you'll stick with. So choose what fits your lifestyle and keeps you moving. Thanks for tuning into Health Options 101. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fitness tips tailored to you. See you in the next video.